It's a great pleasure to welcome as an inductee into our Great American Songbook Hall of Fame for 2020, a lady I got to know and revered, Peggy Lee. Peggy Lee was one of the most significant and important singers of the 20th century of the Great American Songbook. Her contributions are so vast and varied that it is a natural that we would want her to be a part of our permanent collection and celebrate her in this way. Peggy, in addition to being the most unique performer of American popular song in the way that she reinvented the music and reinterpreted the songs through the years, was also a tremendously gifted songwriter. So she really is being celebrated not only as a vocalist, but as a creator of great, lasting songs that all of us as performers are grateful that she created. So Peggy, thank you.
Hi, I'm Holly Foster Wells, Peggy Lee's granddaughter, and I want to say a big thank you to Michael Feinstein and everyone at the Great American Songbook Foundation for the incredible honor of inducting my grandmother, Peggy Lee, into your Songbook Hall of Fame. My grandmother would have been over the moon happy and proud, as I am, by this incredible honor. For her to be listed amongst so many illustrious artists, people that she looked up to and admired greatly, and to be honored by the Great American Songbook Foundation that does such incredible work in keeping this music alive, this music that she loves so much. I thank you from the bottom of my heart. I wish we could have celebrated together in Carmel, Indiana, but I'm very grateful to the foundation for coming up with this plan to at least celebrate virtually. I am very grateful. Thanks so much.
you.